love what I do, but it's definitely not easy. Sometimes you arrive on a scene, it can just be chaos. But the clock is ticking, so you think fast, focus on the patient. These new body cams, they really help with that. They will connect you automatically to the hospital and all the expertise that's there. So while it's just us on scene, actually there can be a whole team working remotely, guiding us. It's really invaluable. And it means we can deliver critical treatments when it matters the most. In some situations, every second really does make a difference. Now with this technology, we can finally get a step ahead, speed things up. And the hospital teams, they can start prepping straight away because they've seen the patients, they have all the data, the stats, everything. They don't have to wait for us to arrive. And that, it makes an incredible difference.